All right, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader, and I trade on the foreign exchange as well. I trade on the Forex, and I'm here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. That's my niche on YouTube here, and that's what we're going to do. We're not going to look at moving averages or support resistance too much. Of course, that plays a role in our trading, obviously, but my main goal for YouTube, just my addition to YouTube, is just to help you analyze the wave structure and understand the importance of wave structure in identifying which direction we're going. I don't trade chart patterns, guys. I don't trade, just trend lines necessarily, though I draw them on my chart. Guys, I put the highest priority in my TA on wave structure. That doesn't mean I don't use those other things. It just means that I think that too many traders put too much emphasis on chart patterns and trend lines and moving averages, and they ignore wave structure, and they haven't really studied wave structure. So that's what I'm here to help you do. And we're going to look at Ethereum today as a beautiful example of wave structure, and then talk about where it could go. And I'm really excited for price here. I'm currently long from the bottom, and really excited for where Ethereum is headed, Lord willing. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Never intended to be that. I'm not going to explain to you how you should spend your money. I'm just showing you how I'm spending my money as a trader and how I see the chart. That's the only goal here. With that being said, hope you guys will like and subscribe, share the video, show some love, guys. Show some love in the comments. That would be awesome. With that being said, guys, I'm in my work clothes as well. I'm a remodeler and a trader as well, heading off to work here right after this. Lord willing, in February, I'm going to be sometime beginning part of February, I'll be a full-time trader by then. We're looking to transition to that by then. But until then, guys, do the best I can with the videos. Do the best I can, just squeezing them in on YouTube the best I can. In my Discord, if you want 2 videos every day, at least 2 lives every day, guys, you'll get them in the Discord. So feel free to join the Discord while the prices are so cheap. Because once I go full-time, I've been talking about raising the prices for a couple of months, but I've reneged on it a little bit because I just haven't felt it's fair if I'm not full-time. But the people that are in there really believe the value is there. Most of them let me know that the value is there for what you get, and you get a lot. You get a lot more value than the current price of the Discord. So I invite you in if you want to learn to trade, learn to see the market the way I see it. It's an educational Discord where you're going to be amongst traders, learning Elliott Wave, learning wave structure, and learning my trade setup as well and how to trade it. So, all right, let's jump in. We're looking at Ethereum exclusively today. By the end of the video, I might take a look at XRP for you as a little bonus, and Bitcoin as well. So if you hang around to the end of the video, I'll take a quick peek at those as well and show you where I think we're headed there. All right, so what we've got here off the top, what I see beautifully is a 3-wave move right there, okay, followed by a 3-wave move right there, okay. So we have a 3 and a 3, guys, and then what followed it is a 5-wave impulse. Okay, if I take the shape of that and I pull the fibs on that guy just like this, okay, we came down to the 1618. It's a beautiful extension for what we call an expanded flat. ABC expanded flat right there. That looks good. That would be counted as a 3, and then a 5, and we have that count, and it looks finished to me. Okay, there's a lot of reasons I think it's finished. I made the case in the Discord the other day that I think this thing is finished. Let me just give you a couple of those ideas. First off, I have a minor trend line right here, guys. That this thing almost came down and touched. I have a zone right here at the bottom of this wave and the top of this wave, and there's some other support over here on this part of the chart. That this is a decent level for this thing to hit. I've got a Fibonacci level here that has come into play as well. And finally, if I show you the RSI is gorgeous. Let me show you the 4-hour chart here. It's beautiful, guys. Whenever I see divergence like this on the 4-hour chart, it is golden for me. It really is telling. Okay, we have a downward slope here. Okay, while we have an upward slope here in price, and that is hidden bullish divergence, which is critical for my trading style. I love to trade hidden bullish divergence. Why is that? I love hidden bull because basically it lets me know that there's a continuation of the trend coming, that the trend is potentially going to continue. Guys, right now I feel about as MOONBOY as I've ever felt in my life. looking for upper targets. But we're gonna kind of keep that real. We're gonna keep the TA real and say, okay, what are the scenarios for the bearish side as well as the bullish side of things. So I'm just gonna show you my bullish count first, and then we'll look at the bearish scenario as a contingency count, so that we're not just trading, we're not just all MOONBOY psychology, because I've really, to be honest with you, not been excited for a trade like this in quite some time. Excuse me. Sorry about that. All right, with that being said, so we've got a lot of things pointing to the fact that, hey, I got a three-wave move. I've got a Fibonacci level at 1618. Pullback there. I've got all the wave counts correctly. Everything looks beautiful. It looks like to me we've got a three-wave pullback that came right where I expected. I've got the hidden bullish divergence. Guys, we have a long trade on our hands, in my opinion. We have hit a bottom of this trade, and I think we're heading up now. This was some kind of a fourth wave move, and now we're heading up for some larger targets. Guys, 1600 was probably going to be very easy to hit. 2000 might even be on the table. We'll have to see with the way this wave takes shape. I'm not certain. Okay, so obviously we're going to have a contingency bear count, and so we'll talk about that. All right, let's zoom back into the 15-minute chart and see what we see. Okay, so because we had a finished move on the 1618 here, guys, we waited for the bounce, and we got this 5-wave bounce, and it was a 5-wave structure on the small time frame. It was beautiful. Okay, actually not as beautiful as I would like to have been, but it's a 1-2-1-2, the best I can tell, or some kind of a leading diagonal here. We had this shape right here is absolutely gorgeous right there. That is a 3-wave pullback, guys. When we put the fibs on that guy, you will see that it comes to the 1618 and just wicks it, and we get a reaction off of it. Guys, we were long in this region right here. I got long. Once we got the bounce off of that 1618 again and that pullback, guys, we got long at 971. That's my entry. 971 is my entry for this particular trade. For my setup and everything, that's my entry. And this is where we are. So we had a nice run up last night. I almost took profit up here, but said, nah, just hold it. Waited for the 3-wave pullback, and certainly, guys, we got a 3-wave pullback on Ethereum. Boom, boom, boom. Came to the 127 extension. It counts like a 5-wave move, 5, 3, and a 5. It's beautiful. Couldn't be any more beautiful. I love when I see beautiful structure. Then we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave work in here, looking for a 3-wave pullback. Guys, if you get that and then it starts to reverse, that is your entry for a very major long trade. Now, I'm not certain you're going to get that. It may be a very, very weak pullback if it's very, very bullish. But getting ready to take out this top and then head on up. So it's, for me right now, the way the wave structure looks, the way the chart is looking very bullish. That doesn't mean it can't come down correctively again. Okay, so I'm looking for something like this maybe, and then another wave to the upside. So that's what I'm watching for. Okay, so what that would be in the grand scheme of things, if I go out to the 30-minute chart here, is that we have some kind of a 1-2 here, 1-2. Actually, I'm sorry, guys, I totally forgot what my overall count was. Right here, there it is. Duh. So sorry, guys. Guys, I get lost in my charts. I have so many that I'm charting that I forget sometimes. There's my leading diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. 3-wave pullback, and then now we're off to the races. So that's a 1-2, guys. To get you a target here off of a 1-2, we look for the 3rd wave to the 1618 at least. I feel like I'm talking so fast, but I am because I got to go. But I'm trying to get this video done for you. So there's 1, 2. Look, we could be heading up for 3 up here, 4, 5. That's going to easily get us up to the $1,500–$1,600 region, guys. But that may just be the beginning. We might get a pullback and a continuation. So this might also get extended here to the 1600 if it becomes an extended wave, which it wouldn't surprise me at all to take us to new all-time highs easily. So we'll have to wait and see what we get with Ethereum, guys. But Ethereum is rocking. It is looking beautiful. I am kind of turning into a hodler on this trade. It looks so good. So now let's talk about, that's where I think we're headed, and I am long, and that's the way I think about it. Now, with that being said, what's my contingency plan? What could happen instead? Okay, let's talk about it. couple of things could happen here. There's about 3 things that I can see that could happen here. You're going to get confused, but don't worry. I'm not just drawing lines on the chart. I'm actually drawing Elliott wave shapes that we could expect. Okay. First off, this is an impulse wave right here, so we could get a 3 wave like this that does not break the top, or it breaks the top. It could, and then we get basically a flat wave down like that. So we get a larger 3 wave move to retest this bottom area before it heads up. So that's contingency plan number 1. If I see this wave coming up correctively in 3 waves, okay, and if it comes to a particular fib level that I'm looking for, and it has the shape of a flat, guys, I'm going to be taking my profit on my long. I'll probably short the mess out of that wave because I love flats. Flats are my favorite thing to trade. My favorite structure to trade. So that flat would look something like this. Boom, boom, boom. And this would go up in 3 waves like that. And then we get 5 waves down, come back, retest the bottom, and then off we go. I can see that happening. Okay, so that's contingency plan number 1. Contingency plan number 2 is that this is actually a 3-wave move here. So we've got a 5 wave to start. So we got a 5, a 3. We get a 5-wave move like this that comes to the 1-1 or 127 extension. Okay, and it's just a 3-wave move is all it is. We got a 3 here, a 3 here. It'd be looking for another 3 or a 5-wave move to the downside to make lower lows and a larger, more established correction. So I could see that contingency plan as well. Okay, so those are the 2 options. I think I said 3, but I think those are the 2 options I'm seeing as far as right now with what the wave structure is giving me. So again, we could do something like this and then this, or come down in 5 waves, not breaking the bottom, still being a 1-2, and we're off to the races. Or I can see something like this where we go up in 5 waves like that. It's a 3-wave move, and we come down in 3 or we come down in 5, depending on how high it gets up here. Okay, so that's the way I'm looking at it, guys. That's the way I'm looking at it. I'm watching and paying attention to that structure. But to be honest with you, right now, it just looks so good to the bull side. We'll have to wait and see. Again, we are long from 971, guys. We're in great. We're already. Let's see, what's the percentage that we're winning here? We're already at 11%. I'm at 11% in my particular trade. I actually added to my my trade on that dip. With some of the profit that I had here, just add the profit to that dip. And every time we get a dip, most likely, as long as it looks right, and I would take that trade from there, I'm going to add to the dip. I'm going to add the profits to that and continue just multiplying this this trade as it goes up. Because, guys, I really, really see the potential of this heading up very strongly. So anyway, that's the way it's looking to me, guys. All right, there's Ethereum. Glad you stopped by. Now for the bonus material, let's look at Bitcoin. It's the same thing, guys. The same structure and everything. We got a 3-wave move. Actually, let me pull that. We got a 3-wave move off the top. We got a nice reversal leading diagonal with a 3-wave pullback, and now it looks like we're heading up. It's the same chart, guys, and we're heading up, and guys, 50,000 is in view potentially. Okay, 50,000. This looks like it's going to be a 5-wave structure of some kind, so we're watching for that. Some kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. 50,000's in view for that. Okay, so let's see if we get that. The contingency plans are the same. We could get like a little 3-wave and then a flat, and then up we go. So this could become more complex, and then we go up, and that would still mean we have upper targets, okay? Or this thing could go up in 5 waves like this, and then come on down and create a larger correction, okay? So those are the contingency plans. We understand that those are things that could happen. All right, guys, XRP, let's take a peek at XRP and just kind of see what that's doing as well as our bonus footage for this video, if you made it this long. Let's see here. What it looks like off of the top here is a, oh, come on. Is a 3-wave pullback right there, okay? So it looks 3-wave-ish. It measures actually 3-wave-ish. Guys, I'm just really, really nervous about XRP. It makes me nervous, but there it is. That's a 3-wave structure right there. Comes to the 127 extension. The only way this could be bearish at this point right now, so it looks bullish for now, but the only way this could be bearish is if this comes up in 3 waves, some kind of 3-wave move up here, and then it takes us down again for another 5 waves. Or 3 waves down. So that's something that could happen. okay, and then we go down again from there. So I'm not altogether excited about the XRP chart, but let me give my best go here. Sometimes I dismiss it, but because I don't have a stake in it, right? But here we have, looks like a leading diagonal, potentially a 3-wave, but I see a 5-wave interpretation there, 3-wave pullback, and then looks like another potential leading diagonal here with a 3-wave pullback. So this could, guys, this could be a very strong 1-2-1-2 to the upside. And guys, we're getting ready to moon, just like we are in Ethereum and in yeah, sorry, I was just looking at the Ethereum chart. It's taking off right now. Sorry about that. So yeah, we might be getting ready to take off here. So that's the bull count, guys. This is a 3-wave move and it's finished, and we got a 1-2-1-2 off the bottom, and guys, it's getting ready to go up to our upper targets. So that's the way XRP is looking to me too. All right, guys. You guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out on the channel. I hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. Guys, share it in your groups, man, on Facebook and in Twitter and all that jazz. Do me a favor. Just help me blow the channel up. 10,000 subs is around the corner, guys. As quickly as I got to... Let's see, I was sitting at like, what, 3,900 subs or something around November, and or 3,000, 3,600, something like that. And then all of a sudden, I'm at 5,700 subs. I mean, somehow the YouTube algorithm has been pumping my videos. So thanks YouTube, and thank you guys for finding me. And would you help me grow a little bit? That'd be cool. That'd help me get full time a little quicker as a trader as well, and that would help my family. And guys, it would help you because it would give me more time to make YouTube videos every day if you didn't want to be a part of the Discord. But that being said, if you're not waiting, if you want to grandfather yourself into a very small monthly subscription to our Discord, check out the Patreon page in the description below. With all that said, you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye-bye.